Okay, now that your registration process is complete, you now have access to your back office. Let us now proceed with getting your hardware set up and log into your POS system. Presented in front of you is the whole market setup. This is a 17-inch DPOS display on the customer's end, a data logic wait remote display, another 17-inch DPOS display on the cashier's end, an Epson printer for receipts, an APG cash drawer, and the data logic weight scanner. We begin with plugging in the Epson receipt printer USB cable to the touch display. Next, we plug in the printer cable to the adapter and into the main supply. Then we connect the APG cable right under the cash drawer. Then we connect the Ethernet from the screen directly to the router, and then the power supply pin that connects with the adapter, and from there directly into the main supply. Next, from there, we have to connect the data logic scanner's power cable to the adapter and right into the main supply. After that, we connect the remote scale display to the remote display port. One cable is connected to the host port, which links to the COM port on the POS system. And finally, the VGA cable that will get plugged into the display on the customer's end. Along with this, the DC cable is plugged into the adapter and then connected to the main power supply. The best practice for the scale scanner is to connect the two wires, then connect the power of the scale to the main source. And congratulations, you're finally now set up on your POS hardware. Let us now proceed to getting you logged into your POS software. Once you have the CronyPOS app 2.0, which is available for download through the back office. After installation, you would first need to log in with the credentials used at the back office. Once done, you will then need to log in with the credentials for the POS, which can be found again at the back office. Once you input that, here you go. Your POS system is also finally logged in and ready to go. So we're now finally done with setting up your hardware for POS and your logins. The next video is actually going to be about how you operate the POS system. So just like always, I'll see you in the next video.